Hey, MSc Electronic Communications and Computer Engineering from the University of Nottingham is a one-year full-time master-level course, and here are the top reasons to go for this course. MSc Electronic Communications and Computer Engineering program delivers understanding of the art of electronic engineering and an in-depth study of topics covering modern technology for electronic engineering and communication systems. The objective of this course is to help you develop the confidence to work as a professional, at ease with the conventions of the discipline and ready to tackle any area of research in electronic engineering. Students will gain experience of the type of problems encountered by academic and industrial researchers. This course is accredited with the Institution of Engineering and Technology to meet the further learning requirements of a chartered engineer. This course is ranked second in the UK for electrical and electronic engineering in the Guardian University Guide 2021. It is also one of the top 100 courses internationally for electrical and electronic engineering as per the QS World University Rankings by Subject 2020. So let's have a look at the key eligibility requirements for MSc Electronic Communications and Computer Engineering from the University of Nottingham. Let me share some interesting facts which will help you understand. For MSc Electronic Communications and Computer Engineering from the University of Nottingham will take your career to new heights. Career destinations for the graduates in the Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering include IT Business Analysts, Systems Designers, Programmers, Software Development Professionals, Production Technicians, Electrical Engineers and Engineering Professionals. 100% of postgraduates from the Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering secured work or further study within 6 months of graduation. The average starting salary was £32,500, with the highest being £40,000. There is also individual career support for all postgraduate students. Expert staff at the university shall help you research career options and job vacancies, build your CV or resume, develop your interview skills and meet employers. More than 1,500 employers advertise graduate jobs and internships throughout their online vacancy service. Nottingham hosts regular career fairs, including specialist fairs for different sectors. Hey, the MSc Electronic Communications and Computer Engineering from the University of Nottingham will help you in developing many essential skills. This course is tailored for you with a wide range of modules taught by subject specialists. You will be studying a variety of topics, including electronic design, communications, and software engineering. You will be taught using up-to-date practices, including the use of electronic resources. There are multi-dimensional benefits to study MSc Electronic Communications and Computer Engineering from the University of Nottingham. Let me share some of them. There is a wide array of excellent teaching methods in this course, like independent studies, lectures, group study, practical classes, workshops, lab sessions, supervised projects, and tutorials. The university has been awarded Gold for outstanding teaching and learning. Their teaching is one of the highest quality found in the UK. The MSc Electronic Communications and Computer Engineering from the University of Nottingham is going to be full of learnings, and believe me, it would be a lifetime experience. The key modules you are going to study are Electrical and Electronic Fundamentals for Masters, Research Project Design and Organization, MSc Project Summer, and here is a list of optional modules offered by the university. Looking for more details on this course, or if you're looking for expert advice directly from the university, log on to speaktouniversity.com and book an appointment with the university delegate.